Hey guys, Steve Watch here with Beeman Toyota in Nashville. I've had a few questions on stuff like this, so figured I'd go ahead and answer another one, right? So on your Tundra, how far is it from the tailgate to the ground if you have your tailgate open? All right, so I'm going to answer this in a really good way. So I have one with the factory lift behind me here, and I have one without the factory lift. So this should give you a good answer. Got the little tape measure here. We'll go ahead and get these tailgates open. So here's the first one, right? So this is your regular, just the, standard one that you're gonna get from factory. Obviously you can get factory from both. Like I said, it's a factory lift, but this is the height and just your regular Tundra. Obviously your wheels could vary a little bit, but just to kind of give you an idea, what are you looking at? You're looking at right at 3 feet, right at 36 inches. Just a hair short of 36 on this one. So what's your next question? What are we at on this one? All right, so let's go ahead and we'll pop this down. And then we'll look down here at this one. So with your 3-inch lift, oddly enough, you are at just shy of 38, so you're 37 3/4 to the tailgate. So that is how high your tailgate and your bed is on your Toyota Tundra when it's lifted or when it's not lifted, how high it is. So Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. If you guys have questions, ask them. I'm likely to give you an answer like this. So like, subscribe, appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.